Hello everyone and welcome to our new tutorial on how to change your Apple ID without losing everything. If you need to update your Apple ID for any reason, such as a new email or personal preference, you can do so without losing access to your existing data. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Here, tap on iCloud, go to the section Apps using iCloud, and tap on Show All. Turn on the apps you want to keep the information. Now go back. Here, scroll down and tap on Sign Out at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll need to provide your password. And now, this prompt will appear asking if you want to keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. Now turn on the apps you want to keep a copy of, and now just tap on Sign Out. Next, you'll be asked to enter your new Apple ID credentials, provide your new email address and password, and tap on Sign In. After signing in with your new Apple ID, you'll see a message asking if you want to merge your data. Select Merge to combine your existing data with the new Apple ID. And your iPhone will now update your Apple ID settings and merge your data. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. And that's it. By following these steps, you can change your Apple ID without losing everything. Your apps, photos, contacts, and other data will remain intact. Thanks for watching this tutorial and see you next time.